9.5 million people mining Pi cryptocurrency on their phones every single day. But should you be starting mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone? That's one of the questions that I hear all around the year. People asking me, hey, Yousef, should we start investing in Pi cryptocurrency? But I have to first tell you that technically you don't have to put any money in there, so you're not investing any money into Pi cryptocurrency. All you're doing right now is going to your app, pressing that button, and start earning and mining Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. My name is Yousef. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, well, welcome. Usually I talk about Pi, cryptocurrency in general, stock market, and the new ways for you to start making money and have passive income. So today we're going to be talking about Pi cryptocurrency, and I have to say that there's a lot of hype around Pi cryptocurrency, and there's people from all around the world wanting to find out what it is, how they do it, and what's so good about Pi cryptocurrency compared to a lot of the other cryptocurrencies that it's out there. But today I'm going to be teaching you basically what you need to be doing and what you're missing out if you already haven't started mining Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. And it's simple as downloading the app. I'm going to leave the link in the description below with my invitation code. Just remember that you cannot just log into the app and start mining. You do need to have an invitation code, which is going to be Yousef Zad without any space or basically any dot, anything. YOUSEFZAD. That's going to be your code to getting into the app and start mining basically Pi cryptocurrency on your phone for free. Note that you can actually start doing that on your laptop or also on your iPads or any electronic device that you have that you're able to basically download the apps. Now, voila, you downloaded the app, you put in my name, you start in the app, and what you see is on your right hand side of the screen. I'm gonna post the pictures for you guys so you can see. There's a bold sign that you need to come to the app and press that every 24 hours just for the system to recognize that you're an actual human being, that you're mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. So it's not like you leave it there and start mining for you. You have to come back to the app every single day, every 24 hours, and press that and start mining Pi cryptocurrency. And you're gonna be under my chat group. So what I'm gonna do is basically educate you guys also through the app and tell you guys if there's any news. But the biggest news for today is that there's 9.5 million people mining Pi cryptocurrency on their devices as of today. And one thing that is happening, that they're thinking to completely removing this feature from the app of you being able to mine for free as soon as they hit the 10 million mark. So that is a possibility that you won't be able to basically mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone anymore, and that's just gonna be bummer. Just like Bitcoin or all the other good cryptocurrencies, they used to be so easy to mine at some point of time, but not anymore, and it makes it more difficult even now. With even if you have thousands of dollars worth of computers and GPUs and graphic cards, it's still very hard for you to mine cryptocurrencies just like Bitcoin. So now that you can do that on your phone for free, it's a great opportunity that you really don't want to pass on. And think of it as a passive income that they're not paying you right now till the company goes public. And the company actually, well, the Pi hasn't been public yet. They did have a lot of great news, and it takes a lot of time, maybe by the next year or two, but I'm seeing a lot of good in the 2021 phase, just because they're getting very close to phase 3, which is basically going public and having value for all the Pi cryptocurrencies that you have on your phone. And now they're actually verifying people, so you can get verified through the app. That make sure you're a real person. They verify your name, address, location, all of that stuff. And then also, I was just looking at, and if you actually Google it yourself, you would be able to find it. This is basically just analysis for right now. There's nothing 100% said and done. But as of right now, the evaluation that they're doing, they're putting about 50 cents per pie. But again, the company is not public yet. It is not set and done 100%. But the pie cryptocurrency is about 50 cents right now. So think about it, in a year or two, you're gonna have a couple of thousand pies on your phone, and they're gonna go public, and you're gonna have all that money sitting in your account without investing a penny into the basically the cryptocurrency that you're mining on your phone. So again, this is one of those things that you want to really jump on it now before then it's too late. And I know there's a couple of other cryptocurrencies out there that are really good, and but honestly, Pi cryptocurrency has been really amazing just because I feel like there's so much hype around it, and for something that is beginning to start getting bigger, that's one of the most important things. They have over 500,000 followers on Instagram. They are verified on Twitter, and they're going to be soon verified on Instagram, since all these companies basically work together in a way seamlessly. And you have to realize that you're not putting any money into it as of now, and in a year or two, come on, you're on your phone every single day doing all sorts of different things that you can basically just go in the app for literally, it takes you 3 seconds, launch the app, press the bold sign, start mining, get out of the app, and that's it. I mean, you don't have to do nothing. And after you basically came to the app, you can start inviting more people under you, and the more people you basically invite under yourself, you're gonna earn and be able to mine at the higher rate. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, something super free, super easy to make money out of it, and basically you're investing your time and effort into it. I think it's one of those things that is perfect, and it's super easy to basically make money nowadays. I think there's something on my face right here. It's been killing me. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. Anyway, so I hope you guys learned something from this video. I do have a couple of other videos about Pi cryptocurrency that are explained, but this was the biggest news for the time being, that now they're having over 9.5 million pioneers, basically people mining the Pi cryptocurrency on their phones. And as soon as they reach 10 million, which I don't think it's gonna be more than a month or two, they might completely stop mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. So that might go away, and you don't want to miss out on this great opportunity to basically make free money on your phone while you're not doing anything. Again, you have my videos that I talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and you can go ahead and watch them. I do normally make some videos about stock market, Tesla, Apple, and a lot of the stocks that I keep buying myself, which I usually recommend if I actually buy them myself. I'm not really like the other YouTubers that they just tell you to go buy stuff and invest into the random things when they're not even invested into it. So I always show you my portfolio, all the stocks that I've been buying, either it's gold, cryptocurrency, or stock market. I show you every single bit of it. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and help me to get more views, so I'm motivated to even do more better videos for you guys to come your way. Go ahead and smash the bell so you get notified every time I release a new video, and hope to see you guys soon again here, and ciao.